Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get access to multiple virtual numbers that you can be using for your business purposes. For instance, now you can see I have the United States of America right here, and you can see I have quite a number of virtual numbers that I can get started with. And that's not all. If I select the drop down menu right here, I have loads of countries that I can choose from in getting my virtual number. Now I'm making this video, why? Because so many of you requested I make a video on how to purchase a virtual number, the best virtual number site to make use of, and all like that. So this video is a solution to all your questions relating to virtual numbers, how to purchase one, and also the best platform to be using in 2026. So guys, I introduce you to Crips Call. Now Crips Call is the best virtual number site that I have used, and trust me, I'm going to show you why I think so, why you should be using Crips Call in generating virtual numbers for your business purposes. So you want to use the link down below to create an account on Crips Call. Now, once you have your account already created, you should be having a dashboard that looks like this. And right here, you can see I have this number already been purchased for me. And you can see this is what the number looks like. This is a UK virtual number. You want to purchase a virtual number. Here is how you should do it. It's simple. You want to come right here to this plus icon. Okay, you want to click on this plus icon where it says purchase a number, and you can see you have two categories of numbers that can be purchased on Crips Call. So for me, I always work with the VoIP. All right, this actually is the internet-based calling and for messaging. All right, you can use this for calling, and you can also use this for receiving messages, and all of these are based on the virtual network. It's a virtual number. All right, I'm going to click on that right in here, and you can see the first thing you're going to be having right here is choose the country you want to purchase your virtual numbers from. So many times many people work with the UK, the US, but trust me, you have lots of countries you can work with. I think with Crips Call you have over 100 countries that you can get their numbers. Okay, so just go and choose the one you want to work with. So I'm just going to stick to the one I use. Okay, and right from here, you can see the abilities. What do you want this number to be able to do? For instance, now, do you want it to just work on only voice? Maybe you use it for voice messages, SMS, or also MMS. So it depends on what you want. I always like with all, so that I can also use this to call. I can also use this to receive SMS, and other things such as the MMS too. So just $4, and you're going to be having this number work fine just for you, for calling, for receiving SMS, and also for sending multimedia messages. That's how it all works. And once you've been able to select the numbers you want to work with, you can click on confirm purchase. So this is how you get to select and purchase a virtual number on Crips Call. So I'm going to assume you've been able to purchase your virtual number. Now it's time for us to test this virtual number to see if it is going to be working just fine for us. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be trying using this phone number, in receiving an SMS directly from Google. So I'm going to be using Google because I think if you can receive SMS from Google on a virtual number, it means you should have no issues trying to receive SMS from so many other platforms. So right here, guys, I basically have this new Gmail account created for me, and I want to add in the virtual number I got from Crips Call into this particular email account. And right from here where it says add a recovery phone, this is going to be my own personal Gmail, and I want to add the Crips Call virtual number to see if this is going to work fine for me. So I'm going to click on add. You can see add a recovery phone number. I'm going to quickly do that right here, and it's going to bring me over to this particular page. And right from here, I'm going to be selecting add a phone number for recovery. So I'm going to come back right here to Crips Call, and right from here, I'm just going to copy my number very quick. So once I've been able to copy my number, I'm going to come back right in here, and I'm going to paste in the number. So I'm going to click on save. Quickly, I'm going to click on save right here, and you can see the number has been added And right at this very junction, guys, Google is asking me to verify that this number is actually my own. So I'm going to click on yes, it is mine. And I'm also going to click on get a code. So you can see it says a code has been sent to my virtual number from Crips Call. So I'm going to come back right to my account. I'm going to click on my number, and right from here, I'm going to come over to the top right here to select messages. Okay, so right here you can see Google already sent a message. I'm going to open this up right here very quick, and I'm going to copy my code. Okay, quickly copy that. I'm going to come back right here and I'm going to click on verify. And you can see, guys, we have this number already verified. So you can see Crips Call has solved the main issues a lot of persons have trying to create an account with a virtual number, probably a business account or maybe a marketing account. With Crips Call, you can receive SMS from platforms such as Google, Facebook, Snapchat. All depends on the platform you're trying to work with. And that is how I was able to use Crips Call virtual number in verifying that this account belongs to me. And you can see I have no issues whatsoever trying to use Crips Call virtual number in setting up my Google account. Alright guys, so much more to having a virtual number created for you by Crips Call. You can also use this particular platform to do a lot of things. Now look at this, guys. If I come over to my dashboard, this is where you're going to be having a good display of everything your account is currently undergoing. For instance, if you have live calls, you can find them right here. If you have missed calls, you can also find them right in here. Now look at the contacts tab. Okay, this is where you can add contacts directly to your Crips Call dashboard. Now imagine you've been able to save up contact that you can call and send SMS to. It's an amazing platform to be using, and for you to do that, it's simple. So you want to click right here to add on new contact. You want to put in the contact name, and also you want to input the contact phone number, and once you click on add a new contact, it's going to be added to your contact list. And now for the power dialer, this is actually still in the beta format, but I hope once this is live, all right, I will try as much as possible to make a video teaching you guys how to use this particular feature on Crips Call. So if you decide to send bulk SMS, it's possible on Crips Call. All you need to do is to come right here and you want to click on create a new campaign, and right from here you want to put in your campaign name. You want to upload your contact list if you have them right here. You want to put in the message and you want to click on send. So I would have loved to make a tutorial on every of the features right here on Crips Call, but trust me, I decided to stay on the virtual number side. Why? Because so many of you requested I make a video teaching you how to get access to a virtual number that can be used for marketing purposes, and that is why I'm recommending Crips Call for you to get started with. And also you can download the Crips Call apps. You can find them right here on iOS, and I think they are also available on Android. Okay, you can also get it on the Android Play Store. So many things about Crips Call that you don't want to miss out, but you can stick with the virtual number like I showed you in this video. If you want to also see how other features work, you can let me know in the comment section, and I'll do well to put out a tutorial teaching you that basically. So I hope you found this helpful, guys. Check out Crips Call today, get your virtual number, learn how to use these tools the right way, and trust me, you, your marketing team are going to be getting the best out of Crips Call. So don't forget to use the link down below to get access to Crips Call today. I'll see you. Please take care of yourself, and bye.